All right, so here will be a couple of videos, the first of which is a cold start. The car's been sitting now for a week, perhaps, since last weekend. So anyway, this is what it's like to start cold. The oil that's in it is Brad Penn 2050, has a high zinc content, and it's certainly recommended for air-cooled Porsches and Volkswagens. So it's a Brad Penn 2050. So my foot's been on the gas just for, 30 seconds. And then the warm-up regulator catches. So driving video will be next. But that is a cold start. See the oil temperature gauge. Here's the oil level. A little low on gas, but not bad. Oh, there we go. All right, foot off the gas. Idle.